Chapter 9 Law of Arbitration. Meaning: arbitration is a process in which the disputes of the parties are decided not by the regular court but by the person or group of persons appointed by them, and they agree that to follow the decision given by them, whatever may be the decision. Importance of arbitration: it is speedy, it is simple, less expensive, secrecy or privacy can be maintained, more expertise service, easy in execution of the award, more convenient in the international dispute. Matters referable to arbitration: matters of civil nature, that is, matters relating to property or money, matters relating to personal rights, that is, maintenance payable to wife, terms of separation, dispute relating to dignity and respect, violation of rights, time barred claims, matters unreferable to arbitration, disputes relating to matrimonial relation, example, a suit for divorce or restitution of conjugal right, testamentary matters, example, the questions of genuineness of proofs, evidence, or will documents, insolvency matters, matters relating to public charities or charitable trust, matters relating to the guardianship of a minor or lunatic, criminal matters and disputes. Arbitrator: a person who is appointed by the parties of disputes themselves by their mutual consent to act as a judge to decide their dispute impartially and judicially out of the court is called an arbitrator. Qualification of arbitrators: person incapable to enter into a contract as per the prevailing law, person punished by a court on criminal charges involving moral turpitude, insolvent or bankrupt, person having any personal interest in the dispute which has to be settled through arbitration, person not having any specific qualification specified in the agreement for becoming eligible for the appointment as an arbitrator. Appointment of arbitrators: as per the Arbitration Act 2055 by the parties themselves by the order of court. Appointment of arbitrator by court. Court for the appointment of arbitrator in the following circumstances: in case no arbitrator can be appointed as per the agreement, in case the agreement does not mention anything about the appointment of arbitrators, removal of arbitrators, bias or partiality of arbitrators, improper conduct or commits fraud in the course of arbitration, if arbitrator frequently commits mistakes, if any irregularities committed by arbitrator in the course of arbitration, if arbitrator does not attend arbitration meetings or refuses to take part in the arbitration proceedings for more than three times without furnishing satisfactory reasons with the objective of prolonging or delaying the arbitration proceedings in an improper manner, if arbitrator acts opposite to the principles of natural justice, if arbitrator does not possess necessary qualifications or lost his qualifications. Power, duties and authorities of arbitrator. Power and authorities of arbitrator: to direct the concerned parties to appear before him, to submit documents and record their statement as required, to record statements of the witness, to appoint expert and seek their opinion or cause examination on any specific issue, to obtain a bank guarantee or any other appropriate guarantee, if the party of dispute happens to a foreign nations is determined by the arbitrator, to refer matters of law or the award for the opinion of court, to administer oath to the parties and witnesses, to put necessary interrogatories to any party to the arbitration, to issue preliminary orders or interim or interlocuting orders in respect to any matters connected with the dispute on the request of any party, or take a conditional decision to issue certified copy of document, to order for the specific performance of the contract, to allow payment by installment, to make an award, to award interest up to the date of the award, to determine by and to whom the cost or reference and the award shall be paid, to correct in the award any clerical mistakes or errors arising from accidental slip or omission, to exercise any other powers conferred by the parties, to exercise the other power conferred by the act or other laws in force. Duties of arbitrator: duty of equal treatment of the parties of dispute, duty to give equal opportunity to the parties of hearing and to furnish documents and proofs, to follow and settle the dispute according to the principles of justice and conscience or natural justice, to follow the substantive law of Nepal, to make an award according to the conditions stipulated in the concerned contract, to act within the scope of his authority as expressed in the agreement on act, to disclose the parties his interest, if any, related to the subject matter of the dispute, not to delegate his authority to any other person, not to misconduct himself or the proceedings in any way, example by accepting bribe from the party, to attend and participate in the arbitral meetings, to appoint experts or refer the matter, product or process, etc. to a group of experts for their opinion, to visit disputed at places, premises, product or production process, etc., to sell the perishable goods and make deposit of the amount in consultation of the parties, to exercise right with due care, skill and diligence, to follow other duty as prescribed by the parties in the agreement, to follow other duties as prescribed by the act. Arbitral award. Award is a judgment or final decision of an arbitrator or arbitral tribunal on all matters referred to arbitration. Matters to be mentioned in the award. Brief particulars of the matter referred to them. Matter of jurisdiction if asked. Issues raised in hearing to be given the award. About the documents, proofs or other evidences examined by the arbitrator. Claims, counterclaims or particulars of rejoinder. Award and its reason. Cost of arbitration. Date, place or venue of arbitration, etc.